This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by removing the trim around the cluster so you can access the bulbs. Once done, take the negative battery cable off to prevent shorting and avoid airbag or ECU faults. Use a trim tool to pry bezels at the clips and a screwdriver for hidden screws. Make sure to store screws in a small container. As you pull the cluster forward, note the connector locations. You'll disconnect them next to free the cluster for bulb access. You'll now work on the cluster's rear where the indicator sockets sit. Once the cluster is out, disconnect wiring harnesses and place it on a soft towel. Locate the check engine lamp socket, twist it counterclockwise, and pull it out. Remove the old bulb with a gentle pull. Insert the new bulb or LED, making sure it seats fully and oriented correctly if polarity sensitive. Then reconnect the negative battery cable, just enough. You finish by reconnecting the cluster connectors and securing the unit back into the dash. Make sure screws are snug but not over-tightened and snap the trim pieces back in. Once reassembled, turn the ignition to on to confirm the check engine lamp illuminates as a bulb test then turns off. If it behaves correctly, reconnect the battery fully and start the car. If the light stays on, make sure the bulb polarity is correct, connectors are seated, and scan for persistent trouble codes as a troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.